Good morning, students. Today we will go for our last exercise of chapter 1. That will be 1F, and it is based on real life applications of large numbers. In this exercise, we will do some questions based on concept of length, mass, the capacity are used in day by day, like buying fabrics, vegetable, juices, groceries, etc. Yes, students, here are some units are given of length, mass and capacity. 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter, or 10 lakh millimeters. Now do one correction, students. Here written 1 meter is equals to 10 decameter. यहाँ पर आएगा डेसीमीटर, DM. 1 meter is equals to 10 decimeter, and 1 decimeter is equals to 1/10 meter. And for decameter, the unit will be 1 decameter is equals to 10 meters, and इसका रिवर्स क्या हो जाएगा? 1 meter is equals to 1/10 decameter. So please do the correction. ये डेकामीटर नहीं आएगा, डेसीमीटर आएगा, और यहाँ भी डेसीमीटर आएगा. और डेकामीटर के लिए आप ये एक फॉर्मूला और ऐड ऑन कर लेंगे, हियर एंड हियर ऑल्सो. 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter, and inversely 1 centimeter is equals to 1/100 meter. I will send you this page, pick up this page, so that you can write all the formulas in your copy and do learn them, all the formulas. These are very important. And children, how do we convert? This I will explain you. I am taking an example. How many centimeters make a kilometer? Right? We want a relation between centimeter and kilometer. Children, we know that in 1 kilometer there are 1000 meter, and in 1 meter there are 100 centimeter, right? So 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. It means I can replace this meter by 100 centimeter, and so that I will get that 1 kilometer is equals to 1000. ये वाला आपने एज इट इज लिख दिया, और मीटर की जगह आप क्या लिखोगे? इंटू 100 सेंटीमीटर. It means what? That 1 kilometer is equals to 1 lakh centimeter. Right? Now, the relation between kilometer and centimeter is that 1 kilometer is equals to 1 lakh centimeter. Is it clear? The question is saying how many centimeters make a kilometer. There are 1 lakh centimeters makes 1 kilometer. Example number 2, how many kiloliters are there in 5 liters? So we want a relation between kiloliters and liters, and it is given that 1 kiloliter is equals to 1000 liters. But we want that how many kiloliters are there in 5 liters. Here in our example number 1, children, we want to convert a larger unit into a smaller unit. So for that we multiply 1 centimeter into 1 lakh. But if we want to convert a smaller unit into a bigger unit, liters into kiloliters. Kiloliters is larger unit and liters is smaller. And what we have to do in this question, we have to convert small unit into a big unit. Then we always have to divide, right? And by which number we have to divide it? This tell, right? बाय विच नंबर वी हैव टू डिवाइड, ये हमें कैसे पता चलेगा? ये हमें किलो लीटर्स और लीटर्स के बीच का रिलेशन वाला जो नंबर होगा वो बताएगा. देखिए कैसे करते हैं. 1 kiloliter is equals to 1000 liters. It means the relation between kiloliters and liters, there is a digit 1000. If I want to change any given unit from kiloliter to liter, I will multiply by 1000. And if I want to change liter into kilometer, smaller unit to bigger unit, I will divide by 1000. Understand, students? So in 1 liter there are 1/1000 kiloliter. I am dividing by 1000 because I am converting a smaller unit into a larger unit. But the question is saying how many kiloliters are there in 5 liters. So 1 लीटर में 1/1000 किलोलीटर है, तो 5 लीटर्स में कितने होंगे, 5/1000 kiloliters. Now we will solve some exercise questions. Question number 1, convert as directed. And the A part is saying that convert 2 kilometer 50 centimeter into centimeters. So here children, we have to convert 2 kilometer 50 centimeter into centimeter. 50 सेंटीमीटर तो ऑलरेडी कन्वर्टेड है सेंटीमीटर में, तो आपको कितना सा कन्वर्ट करना है, 2 किलोमीटर. 2 किलोमीटर को आप सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट कर लोगे और इस 50 सेंटीमीटर को उसमें साथ में ही ऐड कर लोगे. देखिए सॉल्यूशन ए. फर्स्ट वी राइट द रिलेशन बिटवीन किलोमीटर एंड सेंटीमीटर. That in 1 kilometer there are 1 lakh centimeter. In our first example we have solved it, that in 1 kilometer there are 1 lakh centimeter. Then in 2 kilometers there will be 2 lakh centimeters, right? Yes, we have converted 2 kilometer into centimeter and 50 centimeter is already in centimeters. So 50 centimeter is already in centimeter. So finally 2 kilometer 50 centimeter is equals to 2 lakh centimeter plus 50 centimeter, right? आप इन दोनों को ऐड कर दीजिए, यू विल गेट 2,50,000. Right? Now come to the B part. Here we have to convert 7 kilogram to 50 gram into grams. So 250 grams is already converted. We just have to convert 7 kilogram into grams and then we will add. Right? So first we have to write the relation between kilogram and gram. That in 1 kilogram there are 1000 grams. Right? So in 7 kilogram there will be 7000 grams. And 7 kilogram 250 grams is equals to 7000 gram plus 250 gram, and it will give you 7250 grams. Yes, question number 2. Vicky multiplied 84371 by 31 instead of multiplying by 13. How much is the answer more than the correct answer? Right? क्या करा विक्की ने, 84371 नंबर को उसे 13 से मल्टीप्लाई करना था, पर उसने बाय मिस्टेक 31 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, तो उसका आंसर कुछ ज़्यादा आया होगा, बिकॉज 31 इज़ ग्रेटर देन 13. तो वी हैव टू फाइंड that how much is the correct answer, how much is the answer more than the correct answer. We will use distributive property in this question. How? Wrong answer will be and correct answer will be 84371 multiplied by 30, and their difference will be, what we will do, we will subtract the correct answer from the wrong answer, right? Here we will use distributive property, because 84371 is here and here also, so I can take it common. जैसे आप कॉमन लेंगे आप एक ब्रैकेट फॉर्म करेंगे. इन आर फर्स्ट टर्म 84371 को तो आपने बाहर ले लिया, तो यहाँ पे सिर्फ क्या बचा है 31. इन आर सेकेंड टर्म 84371 आपने बाहर कॉमन ले लिया है, यहाँ बचा है -13. सो 84371 इंटू 13 minus 13, 31 minus 13 is 18. Right? Now what we have to do, we have to multiply 84371 by 18. After multiplication we will get 15,18,678. This is the difference between the wrong answer and the correct answer. So the wrong answer is 15,18,678 more than the correct answer. Children, you can also calculate here that आप इन दोनों को यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई करके आंसर लिखते, इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करके यहाँ आंसर लिखते, और देन आप सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देते, तो यू विल गेट द सेम आंसर, राइट? Question number 3. During a flight, an aeroplane covers 834 km and 750 meter on Monday, 537 km on Tuesday, and 1092 km and 365 meter on Wednesday. Calculate the total distance covered by the aeroplane. So clearly आपको पता चल रहा होगा कि एरोप्लेन ने मंडे को जितना डिस्टेंस कवर किया, ट्यूसडे को जितना डिस्टेंस कवर किया, और वेडनेसडे को जितना डिस्टेंस कवर किया वो हमें ऐड करना है. बट in adding we always add the same unit with the same unit. It means we will add 834 km into 537 km and 1092 kilometers, and 750 meter to 365 meters. How? Distance covered on Monday is equals to 834 kilometer and 750 meters. Distance covered on Tuesday 537 kilometers and no meters, so I am writing 000 meters for making them like. And distance covered on Wednesday 1092 kilometer and 365 meters. So total distance covered by the aeroplane 834 kilometer 750 meter plus 537 kilometer and 000 meters, because there is no distance in meters on Tuesday, and 1092 kilometer 365 meters on Wednesday. ऐड कर दो, और ऐड करके आंसर क्या आ रहा है आपके पास 2464 kilometer and 115 meters covered, the total distance covered by the aeroplane. By how much is 72,16,340 less than a crore? 1 crore is equals to So their difference will be, if we subtract 72 lakh 16,340 from 1 crore, we will get the difference 0. 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 3 is 6, and 10 minus 4 is 6, 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 1 is 8, 9 minus 2 is 7, and 9 minus 7 is 2, right? 27 lakh 83,660 is less than, is 72 lakh 16,340 is less than a crore. So this is the difference. That's all for today, students, and I will send you one worksheet also. You have to solve, and in our next video we will solve that worksheet also.